In this question, you're given that f of x is 3x plus 5 by 2. You're asked to find the inverse function in a very straightforward problem. So how do you find inverse? You start with y is equal to 3x plus 5 by 2, and you need to find what x is. So this implies that 2y is equal to 3x plus 5. This implies 3x is equal to 2y minus 5. This implies x is equal to 2y minus 5 by 3. 2y minus 5 by 3. So this is nothing but f inverse of y, right? So if y is some function of x, whatever x is, this is nothing but a function of y, which is the inverse function. So this implies f inverse of x is equal to f inverse y is 2y minus 5 by 3. F inverse of x is 2x minus 5 by 3. Thank you.